Hey everyone, before I start this vlog, check out my website, ChevyDude.com. I got some new merch available. This shirt is comeback available. I've got a new shirt available, and I also have a couple more items that I think are really cool that people have been asking me about. So check out my website right at the top at the shop merch, ChevyDude.com. You can see I got Pony Eater here on the lift back in my buddy Brad's bay, who you remember he helped me put the spoiler on my customer's Corvette, that very first 2019 Corvette, which is in the video. If you haven't seen that video, there'll be some links popping up here. So I have to change out the grill of my car. And if you don't remember, somebody hit my car. It's a hit and run. Don't know who did it. I actually don't know where it happened. So you can see it's all kind of busted up there. Take that tow hook off. I don't know if the tow hook's gonna fit on the new grill or not, because I changed up the grill to go along with the colors of the car. So I'll show you the grill here in a second, but let's let Brad get to work, and he's got to take this whole fascia off in order just to change out this little itty bitty piece. So it's a pain in the butt. It's not a lot of, it's a lot of labor to do, and so since I'm going to do that, I'm actually going to change one other thing on the front here, and I'll show you what also I changed on this at the end of the video. While Brad does this work, I'm not really going to be able to be back here very much because I'm actually up front selling a couple Corvettes. I've got a Corvette customer from Indianapolis, north side of Indianapolis, here currently right now up there sitting at my desk while I'll shoot this video, waiting on to do the paperwork, and also waiting on their car. As I got in their car last night, I found an issue, which I hate. I hate issues, but service is back here fixing their car, so that way we can get them on the way to Indianapolis, back to the north side of Indy. And so I'm not gonna be really back here much to watch this build, so you'll see the time lapse of him taking that off and putting it on. It's pretty difficult, and then I'll come back in when he's all done, and I'll show you the new grill that we put on, and also the other thing that I did to the front of the car as well. And then on the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I'm going to prevent, if somebody hits my car again, what I'm going to do to prevent from them getting away with this. Because as you know, with my theft of the wheels that we did here at the dealership, I caught those people. I love catching people. Pretty internet savvy and pretty savvy on finding people who's done bad things, so I'm going to prevent that from happening again, and you'll see that video coming up here soon, because I'm going to install that myself and do all that stuff myself coming up in the next vlog. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up as well. Really crazy what this looks like. All these coolers in here. It's amazing how many coolers are on this car. Seen this before, never really vlogged about it, but I've seen all these coolers before, and just amazing what GM has done with engineering on all these coolers. You can see these from the bottom right here, so that's the way I've always seen that cooler there. So this hole is from the tow hook, so that's just pops out. But man, whoever hit me, they did a pretty good job. It looks worse off the car than it did on the car, because of, you can see all the styrofoam from the bumper and stuff that was up next to it. But yeah, whoever hit me did a pretty good job. I'll show you the bumper where they messed that up. I'm gonna buff the car and stuff like that too. So there you go, finishing up the front of the car. So I put the red line grill on there. If you look in the description below, there should be a link to it. Absolutely awesome front end grill. You can get this for the V6 or the V8. Another thing I did since I had that grill off is I replaced my gold bow tie for a black bow tie. So this is the lighted bow tie. Again, down in the description below is the part number and where you can buy that at. It's a really awesome feature to have on your car. And then with that package, I have this black bow tie. So if you type in bow tie in the comments, I'll give this away. So one lucky YouTuber, you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it on your car. It's designed to go on the back, and I do not like it on the back. I like my Camaro emblems, which I'm going to have to replace those as well. So you can tell me what I think I should do with those. So you can see over time, I bought these way before the Redline car was announced, so you can see they're pretty messed up. I've had them on here for a couple years, and just I guess they weren't really good product to have. I bought them from Malaysia, had them made, so doesn't look like a really good product, whatnot, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna take that off. So comment again in the down and below, should I take them off and just leave it bare? Should I put a black bow tie on there, or should I put something else? I think you can get that black emblem right here. I'm not a real big fan of that, so I doubt that I do that, but you can tell me what I think I should do. Just leave it blank or put another Camaro logo on the back there. So I think I said earlier that when I bought this car, I really liked the lighted bow tie, and I kind of showed you in past vlogs. I put the stripes on it and stuff like that, and that was stuff that I actually had thought up on my own, and then Chevrolet the next year came out with the 50th anniversary stripe package, which was really cool that I thought of this stuff on my own. But most importantly, I wanted to show you the lighted bow tie. I absolutely love this lighted bow tie. Comes out at night. I get people to make comments on it and all that stuff, but when it's parked like this, the only way to do it, get it on, is to really remote start it. So we'll do that, and you can see that it's remote started now, and that lighted bow tie lights up really nice and bright. It looks pretty awesome. So if I don't park many places, but you shut everything off, you shut those lights off and shut those lights off, that just stays lit, and it's really, really sweet. So that's why I like that, just a little bit different and whatnot. But there it is, all back together, getting ready to pull out of here and go back up and finish selling my Corvettes. You can see that Corvette is now gone. It was a simple fix, thank goodness. Took to that customer, and my other black Z06 is going up to, I think it's called Petoskey, Ohio. I know there's a big Corvette dealer in that town. So there you have it, it's all done. So really, I want to just say thank you again one more time for watching the vlog. If this is the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and then most importantly, if you're going to be at the YouTube call out April 29th, come see me there. I'll have a tent set up, I'll have some merch, but you can get your merch early right now by going to ChevyDude.com, clicking the shop at the top of the web page, and getting it right now. I'll send it to you before the April 29th YouTube call out. So again, thanks for watching, have a fantastic day, and drive safely.